What is going on, guys? We are back, but this time it's like with a technical, not like, it is a technical video today because it's something I see happening way too many times. I see too many posts about it on Facebook, or I get the emails and messages every single day between my account, MOTIV's account, Mikey's account, and then I hear from other tuners as well of people having so many issues on wiring a fuel pump. It is very simple. If you're gonna stick with a single pump kit, just buy a Visconti fuel kit. The Visconti fuel system is good for about 1,000 horsepower on a B58 and close about 1,050 or 1,075 on a S58. Once you start going to double pump setups, I like to do things differently with a Precision Raceworks kit. It makes it super easy, super seamless. I help them make it for the 340 or G chassis and for the Supra systems also. But on this car, it's very similar to X3M as well. This is what I have right behind me. This is an X3 M40i. It has a RK AutoWorks built motor, 3 liter. It has a Savage kit with the 7480 RK AutoWorks intake manifold, and of course the Precision Raceworks fuel system. But here's where people usually mess up. No, I didn't do the install of this Reflex, so don't ask. AUX2 is what we use for fuel system, which is right here. AUX2. So right here, fuel pump. This wire runs inside. Excuse the mess of the car on the interior. I neatly tuck the wires from the fuel pump all the way to the front. And right here is your auxiliary 2 extension, your jumper harness right over here. And I'm going to show you what you guys have to do, and a lot of people do incorrectly. Excuse the customer's mess that he has in here, but if you guys don't have one of these, a power probe, you guys should get one instantly. This is a lifesaver. I don't go anywhere without a power probe. There are 2 wires, a green wire and a black wire on the Precision Raceworks kit. This is the crucial, important part of what people always do mistakes. If you look, this reads voltage on here. You see, this is ground. Lights up, there's a ground right now. And if you click on this, if you touch it, there's voltage, red positives, 13 volts. On the Reflex, there are 2 wires on the AUX2. On the Visconti harness, there's 2 wires per auxiliary. There's a red wire and a black wire. The red wire is constant 12 volts the moment the car is on. The black wire is trigger, so it turns it on. So now if you look at this green wire, it's positive. But if we were to ground it out, not sure if you hear that, the fuel pumps are running. So this wire, the black wire, is what needs to go. This green wire goes to the black wire of the Reflex AUX2. So now I'm going to get a DTM connector and grab these green wires, and I'm going to attach them to where the black is. So now anytime we tell the fuel pumps to turn on, it's going to send negative to the green wires. The green wires is what we want attached to the black wire of the Visconti Reflex. Again, it is a ground trigger. Reflexes are triggered by ground, not the positive. Green is what needs to be attached. I highly suggest you guys buy a DTM kit. This is just multiple ones that I have left over. So there's 2 pins, 4 pins, 6 pins, all sorts of ones. But you guys need a DTM O2 connector. And you guys got to make sure it is the male side. As you guys can see, I only used 1 pin, negative. The green wire goes to black. And it is very simple to connect them. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Boom. And that is it, guys. This is all you need to do. If you guys are wondering, yes, I got 2 pumps connected, both into the black. So I want both pumps to kick in. There's no need to have them staged, because once the pumps kick on, it's going to be in full boost and it's going to be happening instantaneously. So we just run them on AUX2, and AUX1 is for boost controller. AUX1, boost controller. AUX2 is your fuel pumps, guys. That's all you guys need to do. That is 99% of every tuner uses auxiliary 2 for your boost controller per MOTIV's install and recommendations. So that is it, guys. Just get yourselves a DTM O2 connector. Don't be cheap and don't use butt connectors. Make it nice and easy and make it look clean as well. Such a simple thing, but so many people overlook it and always do a mistake about it, which drives me nuts because it's such a simple thing. Ground is the trigger on the Reflex. So thank you guys for watching. It's a short video, but it's something that's going to be super helpful for everybody, for everybody's tuners as well, because there's always so many issues, people asking questions. Just a simple video to explain how everything works. Man, my nose is greasy. It's a reflection. It looks like a white dot. So guys, if you guys are Precision Raceworks, green wire attaches to your ground trigger on aux 2. Thank you guys.